With 5 toes that lift and push off, this prosthetic is unlike any other. Most prostheses require a different equation for every movement. Walking slow, fast, up and down stairs are all different algorithms.
The problem is then the prosthesis needs to know, or the motor needs to know, what do you want to do? Do you want to walk slow? Do you want to walk fast? And it turns out that that's a hard problem to solve.
Dr. Kisa Nishikawa, a professor of biology at NAU, has spent the last 5 years working on solving that problem by studying how frogs catch bugs.
And they do this very, very fast, and in fact, too fast for the brain to exert a lot of control. So the muscles are really in the driver's seat.
Which is similar to the way our muscles work. When we go from a flat surface to walking downstairs, our muscles already know how to react, which is the kind of prosthetic that Dr. Nishikawa created.
So now when an individual is walking on the biome, it is designed to behave like the muscles that it's supposed to be replacing.
Uzma Tahir is a PhD student of biology. She and 11 other professors, graduate and undergraduate students are working together to help Dr. Nishikawa make amputees' lives easier. The team is using a commercial prosthetic called the Biome. They've designed a controller that works uniquely.
Our controller actually consists of 2 virtual muscles. One set of muscles that lifts the toes as you're walking, and another set of muscles that helps you push off the ground.
The prosthetic is so successful, it's allowing patients to do things they haven't been able to do.
One of our subjects tells us that using the robotic prosthesis has allowed him to travel upstairs fast enough to actually get out of breath.
Most amputees have different prosthetics for different purposes, like walking and running, but Dr. Nishikawa wants her prosthetic to replace them all.
What the community of amputees needs is devices that are really multi-purpose.
With the end goal for the team being
help improve the quality of life for people walking around on prostheses.
Colleen Sikora, NAZ Today.